Mass devastation in Houston has brought with it a breakdown in law and order, not as bad as in some natural disasters, but pretty bad. There have been numerous reports of looting by storm survivors. Yesterday, ABC reporter Tom Lamas was honest enough to tweet this, quote, "We're witnessing looting right now at a large supermarket in the northeast part of Houston. Police have just discovered a body nearby." Just reporting what he saw. And for that, he was vilified, Lamas was, and accused of attacking hurricane survivors. Dan Bongino was a former NYPD officer, and he joins us now. Dan, this is just a fact of life in situations like this. I've seen it firsthand a lot during Katrina. We saw cops looting Walmart on camera during Katrina. I saw myself, people looting liquor stores and shoe stores. That's not the same as starving people feeding themselves. What about our society has changed so much that noting that you're watching it is somehow a thought crime?
Well, we've had complete culture rot, and I noticed, Tucker, because I saw a lot of the mob attack Tom Yamas on Twitter, that it was largely coming from, liberals who seem to feel like they're entitled to the property of other people. Listen, no one's trying to diminish at all the epic human tragedy we're watching unfold right now in Texas. But this kind of reminds me of the old Havelock Ellis quote, that civilization is a thin crust on a volcano. And Tucker, that thin crust is composed of law and order. When order breaks down, we have absolutely nothing. We cannot ever condone looting and the taking of other people's property, because then at what point, where does it end? I mean, relief agencies and government are doing their best to get people fed and get people housed, but we can't condone looting. This is just complete breakdown.
Right. Well, only like a decadent rich kid in Brooklyn would say something like that. And in fact, most people who did, I checked, are decadent rich kids in Brooklyn, of course. But you think about the people who were hurt by this. There were interviews today, for example, with the owner of the Bronze Bar in Houston, and it was being looted. Said, "My business that I've worked for was looted last night. I can't believe people were capable of that." Samir Abraham, who has got a store there too, watched it being looted on surveillance cameras. "These people are taking advantage of the weather and have been robbing us blind since last night. We tried to get there but couldn't reach it due to floods." It's not big corporations who suffer. It's like ordinary, normal working people who suffer as, the crowd cheers them on Twitter. I mean, who pushes back against this? Does anybody have the courage to say, you're not allowed to steal or hurt other people just because there was a storm?
Yeah, I mean, think about it. What kind of certifiable savage man beast do you need to be to walk into a small business? And there are videos of this on Twitter, sadly. I wish you can't unsee it, of people looting cash registers. What's your excuse for that? I don't understand. These are small businesses. These aren't the decadent Thurston Howell types. These are people who work their whole lives to keep their heads, and then they're out of the red ink. Keep their heads above water. No pun intended there. But to stay alive, and you're stealing their money and their livelihood because you have some sense of entitlement during a tragedy. I mean, that's really kind of deranged when you boil that down to